In a bright, holographic city, Mittens, the mischievous cat, wakes up ready for adventure. Today, he discovers an enchanting robot sidekick named Bleep, designed to fetch snacks. But accidents happen when Bleep malfunctions, causing a wild snack explosion that turns Mittens into a glittery snack superstar. As chaos ensues, a holographic wizard mistakes Mittens for the chosen one and crowns him king. Now faced with 1,000 holographic mice as his subjects, Mittens accidentally activates a confetti storm instead of a royal decree. With colorful confetti everywhere, Bleep hilariously chases the flying mice in a culinary frenzy. Will Mittens embrace his unexpected fame or seek a quieter life? Would your cat survive this?